Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Jeep Compass. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Next, access the Uconnect system on your Jeep's touchscreen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. You'll want to make sure both devices are ready to communicate. This simple first step prepares everything for pairing. Once in Uconnect, navigate to the Phone menu and select Add Device. Your phone should then appear on the screen. Choose your phone from the list. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Confirm they match. Finally, grant permission for your Jeep to access your contacts and messages, which enables hands-free communication. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy several convenient features. Make and receive hands-free calls, keeping your focus on the road. Stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your Jeep sound system. You can also use voice commands to control various functions, including navigation and messaging, enhancing your driving experience with ease and safety. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the Uconnect system. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves most connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates often include important bug fixes and compatibility improvements. For those looking to enhance their financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.